This is the Verizon NV2, and this is how to set the alarm clock. Go to the Tools feature. Go to the alarm clock setting. Choose one of the alarm clock settings that hasn't been used. Go to set the time. I would like the alarm clock to wake me up at 7:30 in the morning. And go to set. And set it to 7:30 a.m. Press OK. And choose how many times you want it to repeat. I want it to repeat every day, Monday through Friday. Choose your ringtone. I like the song Hey Now. And make sure that it's turned on. And set. Okay, save that setting. My alarm clock is now set to wake me up at 7:30 Monday through Friday.